Hey, today I'll show you how to make Steam enter automatically into the big picture mode. So usually if you wanted to get into the big picture mode, you had to get to view, then press on big picture mode, and Steam will automatically enter the big picture mode, but you will have to do this manually. And there is a way how to make this open up automatically when you open Steam together, right? So let's close this, press on escape on your keyboard, go to power and press on exit picture mode. Steam will resume to its normal size and aspect. Okay, so let's do it. Press on Steam from the top left corner, now settings, and inside settings, if you go to interface, you will find settings which says start Steam in big picture mode. If you'll enable it, next time when you open up Steam, it will start in big picture mode and not in this aspect. And if by any chance you'd like to go back so Steam won't start in big picture mode, go again to Steam settings interface and disable start Steam in big picture mode. So this was the tutorial how to make Steam start in big picture mode automatically. I hope it helped and I hope you have a great day.